Hi everybody, in this video we'll explain how to add variables in the data context. First of all, you need to see the data context in the window and then go to the data category inside the palette here and select the last one, primitive variable. Then hold on the left mouse button and drag to the data context. You can align it like that in order to make it look nice. Finally, in the Sinkhole Properties, here you can change the name and the type of the variable. Let's take as an example as a name test, which is an integer. Yes, we then obtain a new variable. However, what's an integer? It is a type of an attribute. For example, a number is an integer, a comma number is a real, and what other type are available for each primitive variable. We can see that the other type are, for example, text, in order to define several characters, or boolean, in order to define a result that is either true or false, etc. Thanks for watching.